going to Alum Creek, meeting up with my parents, staying there for a couple days, and then that's it. Off we go. Check this out, guys. Little path between our campsites. Look at this. Little nature hike path. Morning in Alum Creek, everybody. Little playground. Oh, look at that. Concrete cornhole boards. That's pretty slick. Into the nature center here. Oh, that door is locked, huh? Yeah, so here's the map. Boy, this place is huge. We're over here and there's all of this. Wow. The Alum Creek Campers Beach. So they have their own beach. You found a hiking path? Totally cool. Oh, I got the camera backwards. How did I do that? 20 hours of family fun. The wildebeest comes out in his natural habitat. He's drinking his beer with fire gloves on. It's very entertaining. Look at him go. Look at him go. Either his beer is too cold or his hands are too hot. I'm not sure. A little mockery. A little mockery. Look at this. It's another rain camping trip.
Surprise, surprise.
Look at that. Look at it. It's pouring. Alright, everybody, the morning after the big storm. Hey guys, check this out. Some wild grapes growing right behind the campsite.
Yeah, then when they get bigger, we can come back here and then we can clean them off and then we can have them.
Yeah, pretty neat, huh, Paige?
Alright, we just got done camping at Alum Creek State Park. Really nice campground for a state park. It was very secluded. All the campsites were, well, not all of them, but where we stayed, there were trees around 3 sides of our campsite, which was nice. My in-laws, his parents, came and camped with us as well, and they were on a site that was right beside us, and there was a secret little path through the woods to their campsite. campsite, which was really neat. The kids really loved that. I would have liked to have been side by side, considering with all the cooking and the back and forth between the campsites and taking the chairs back and forth. But it added a little extra something for the kids. They really liked it. They really liked the adventure of going through the path. So it was cool. If you were going by yourself, it's a nice private campsite. You guys did a little bit of riding around on the bike. What did you find out?
We rode around on the bike. We found out that campsite is huge.
The campground?
Yeah, the campground is huge. It's massive. There's a private beach for the campers. There's a few playgrounds for the kids. There's basketball courts, volleyball courts. And then right up the road, there is the dam for the reservoir. And then there's also a public beach, a playground at the beach for the kids. And then there's also a playground on the bottom side of the dam for the kids. So there's a lot to do. And
there's hiking trails, there's boating, if you have jet skis or boats or anything like that, kayaks, you just bring them along with you, and they have a launch right there in the campground, right?
Yeah.
Where you can launch right into the water. You don't have to leave the park to go do that. The kids had a lot of fun. It rained, experienced new things. So, yep, good times.
All right.